In this video, we will talk about the top 5 secrets every miniature artist should know. If you like such content, do let us in the YouTube algorithm know by hitting that like button. And let's begin. Number 1. Use the right kind of paper. Making miniatures means a lot of layering and trying. Use a 300 GSM watercolor paper for the best results. The watercolor paper holds paint better and is thick than the normal paper, but you can also try handmade paper if you are using acrylics. Personally, I do not prefer acrylics because they dry fast and do not give me enough time to layer and shade. Also, while using watercolors, handmade paper tends to bleed through. Number 2. Size. A thumb rule used by a lot of artists to check if your painting is a miniature is to see if it's 16 times smaller than the actual object that you are making. Number 3. Right colors. Color combinations used for miniatures often tend to differ from the normal. It is always better to try out a sample painting in a different paper with fewer details. Saves time and effort. A trick is to use a lot of highlights. But instead of using a lot of white, you use pastels of the colors beneath it. Number 4. Brushes. Took me a lot of time to find the right type of brush. It depends on your comfort, but you can use nail art brushes and brushes smaller than 000, that is 0000000. They might be a little difficult to find, but you can get them online. Artist-grade paintbrushes made of natural hair also work because they have a very fine tip. Number 5. Proper lighting. This is a very therapeutic form of art, but it's very stressful to your eyes. It is better if you have a ring light on top of your painting, but have not tried to make it at least in a well-lit room. You can also find ring lights specially for a miniature that has a magnifying glass attached to it. If you liked the video, let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel and learn from the self-made ultimate artists. And any interesting topics you would like us to cover. See you in the next video. Until then.